Your account may be hijacked by intruders or blocked by banks. We want a person himself to manage his money without any regional restrictions in payments and without any fear of losing funds. For this, we invented CryptoLux. CryptoLux exchanges all popular cryptocurrencies for internal CLX tokens. CLX tokens can be sent to each other instantly with a minimum commission and without any regional restrictions. Blockchain and decentralization will protect users from hacking or fraud. And smart contract will pay out a part of the platform's earnings to
we were on fire, I slashed your tires. It's like we